Yes, sir. We got our lower control arms. Yeah, that's pretty good. Came in packaged nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car specs. This is the second part of working on the car. As you guys seen in the before YouTube videos, I did change the upper control arm, and that did not fix the problem at all. So what I did is I took it off, I put the stock ones back, and I returned it, and then I bought these. These are from SuperPro. Pretty good. They're very like I don't know. They're very simple. They're not as high luxurious as the other ones that are out there in the market. These you could adjust the camber by like 1 degree, which is what I need for those to be nicely vertical. I heard they're pretty good, so let's see. Hopefully, you guys can see I have them right here. These look pretty sick. I wish they were in red, but they only had them in blue, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, basically you adjust them with this bolt right here, and this moves back and forth. The product did bring the lubrication grease and some instruction manuals. Pretty simple. It seems pretty simple, but yeah, let's get to it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So starting off on the left side, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. This small one right here seems to be like a sensor that the car brings. I don't know, maybe for suspension purposes, suspension travel, or anything. It has the plug right here of the sensor, which is pretty cool. So 5 bolts on the left side, and then on the other side is 4. And then also letting you guys know, for these big bolts, so the suspension and the knuckle, and then other back part where it connects the control arm, those are all 17mm bolts. And then for the inside one is a, pretty sure it's a 14, and then this one is probably a 10. Alright guys, so we take off those 5 bolts, and I'm gonna give you a quick advice. Take off the 2 outer ones first. So this one's gonna be hard as fuck to take off, and then you take off the other one all the way in the back. That one's hard as fuck too. And then once you do that, those are pretty easy. The inside, I did these instead in the middle first, and I couldn't take them out, so I had to take off the outer ones first for those to come off. Just letting you guys know. And then I have them here in the specific order. So this is the outer left bolt, and this one's is the suspension one, which is the longest one out of all of them, I would say, and the biggest one as well. Then this one is to the sway bars. It has a cone also as this one, but this one's a little bit skinnier. And then right here would be the sensor, which I left it in there with the bolt because it's dangling in there. I don't want to take it out. Then this one is the inner control arm, so all the way to the right side. So here's the difference between the new one and the old one. This one obviously looks a little bit more beefier than this one. I would say relatively, this one, they kind of weigh the same. I think the original one weighs a little bit more, just because it has this black silicone in it, which makes it weigh more. This is for protection for rust and stuff like that. This one's not gonna rust, so that's good. So it actually sounds more solid, but it's because of that cover thing, so less sound. But pretty much the same. Only thing changes is that. So now what we're gonna do is put some grease all around this. Also, another quick tip before putting all the bolts in, I would suggest putting in the sway bars first. Remember, this car is super stiff, so like the sway bars don't have that much motion, so you're gonna have a very big problem trying to put that bolt in. So I would suggest putting that one first, and then going with the outside ones, and then the suspension. Also remember guys, this bolt, which is the outer knuckle all the way to the left, it's not going to be used. We're going to be used the one that brings the control arms, which is this plate right here. I'm having issues putting this, so what I did is I lining up all those, right? I bolted up this one, But since you have control now with this whole piece instead of just this, it's a little bit easier for you. 2 people would be the best, but right now I don't have anyone in the house. We're in the well right now. What you want to do is put your weight over this, the disc brake, and then with your forearm, so this part or wherever this part is, control the suspension back and forth, and you'll get it. Trust me. But it's gonna take time. So be patient, and yeah. Sensor over there, so you guys can see it has a little arm. So that arm goes connected to this hole right here, which is like a little oval. Everything tightened up, and I did put decreased camber for this side, just because I will be taking the car to the alignment the next day or tomorrow or maybe today either. So they could adjust it for me. I also letting you guys know, a new bolt that comes in with this control arm is a 3/4, so you might have to look for a new socket. So there you have it. We did put these the left side on, and you guys can see that wheel is sitting straight with the fender now. I did notice that we do have a lot of toe now. Look at that. So you guys can see I do need an alignment for it to work. And look at how normal this side is sitting. And look at the toe. Doesn't have as much toe. So with that alignment, I'm pretty sure we fixed the problem. Hopefully, man. I'm freaking... And that's all we got for today. You guys can see it's been super late working in today. And if you guys want to keep on going with the video, I'm going to be taking it to alignment shop. Or if not, bye-bye. This is the install for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Please leave a like and subscribe, man. Next day here, guys. We did take it to the alignment shop. Now it's perfectly fine. We did fix the issue with the little camber thing that we had going on. You guys can see that side, and then this side perfectly. Oh man, I'm so happy. But yeah, we did get so rear left, we had before, we had a camber, so we were at -1 and 7, and then now we're at 0.3. Toe, we were at -4, which there was a lot of toe on that side. We got everything fixed up now. Everything's working fine, and yeah, so that was the issue. Thank God it was the issue. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy that video. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, peace, guys.